Entertainment Friday, this Friday morning on the Good Morning Naija show. Right now, we get our guest with us for Inside Studio because our work, of course, is to celebrate entertainers, and we'd like to give special attention to Port Harcourt entertainers because from Port Harcourt to the world, we believe say no limit for us. So our guests stay with us for Inside Studio, and to promote Port Harcourt entertainment, we bring one of the finest artists for Inside Port Harcourt. All
right, especially sit down with us on top of our couch, on top of the Good Morning Naija couch this morning. Now, one artist, you say, if you don't even see him already, if you don't see some of his work, if you don't hear his song, we're not going to say na him. And so this morning, he wants to unveil himself. And his name now Rohmeela. Good morning, Rohmeela.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I greet you.
Yeah, we greet you too. Welcome.
Well, I greet you.
Welcome. How about dinner?
Yeah, I did fine. I see this here.
I did fresh.
I did see him. I just did cool. Yeah.
So Rohmeela, just before we go on, I ask you, say Rohmeela.
Yeah.
I know of
Rohmeela.
So now Rohmeela, that inspire you.
No be Rohmeela. Now a combination of my English and native name.
Okay.
So not be Yoruba.
No be Yoruba. Yeah, no be Yoruba God.
So what's be your English name?
My English name is Romeo. Why
Romeo.
my native name is Chukwumela.
Oh.
Yeah, so that was how the name Rohmeela.
So Ro for Romeo and Chukwumela.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's how the name come about. Yes.
Cool.
And just simple mathematics.
Nah, simple mathematics.
Yeah.
Nah, English and mathematics.
English and maths joined together.
Yeah, so your music now, you could say like how long you don't even do this music and what make you decide to do music?
Okay, I don't do music for a very long time now. Back then for secondary school, where those social gathering, my guys and go to hit who they do the normal singing stuff. But
so because the music they inside Berlin.
Yeah, don't do for a very long time. I don't do, but I see maybe in a family something because my elder brothers they do very well for music.
Too.
Although say they don't decide to take the
music as profession.
Yeah, you understand. But me now officially this year now say okay. The time don't reach where we say make the thing they official now. Make people know about the stuff. You understand? Because last year I moved to Lagos to chase the dream, the music dream. So in as much as I want to start Port Harcourt now my home, I say okay, make I start with Port Harcourt first before every other place. You know, there is no place like home now.
So, yeah, good as you come back. Where is it to chase the dream? You go for training?
You know, so many things. You go learn. You know, say Lagos, everywhere you know, say Lagos, now be the headquarters for the entertainment industry, you understand? Going there to chase the dream now, I go learn a lot from other persons. I met a lot of people for Lagos, you understand? I meet a lot of people. So I learned a lot for Lagos to chase the dream, hustle, see how people go use help me. At least now, anywhere I feel make contact, say CCB, then go help me out, you understand? So basically, now so the whole thing be.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So what of education now? We'll talk about how the education take you up to when you can decide, say, okay, make you want to do music.
2012, I graduated from Federal College of Education, Omok, yeah.
Okay.
Where I get my NC certificate.
Cool.
Now after then, I entered cinematography.
Okay.
I'm a hustle.
Hey.
So why you leave cinematography?
The hustle is real.
No, I don't see. I still the thing that he did the body. Yeah, I did the body. So I entered cinematography, but music now my first love. Yeah, my first love. So that's why I decided to, in as much as anything I do, I know won't drop the music part of me. Yes, that's why anything I do, I see they bring in my music dreams as well. It chase them small.
So what do you study?
I did social studies.
Social studies.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so your music now, which kind of music you did sing, and what did they inspire you?
I know because most people, because of this official single I drop, people they ask me that now gospel song I do. Me, I don't tell you say I do gospel song. I just be artist. I be musician. At the end of the day, as long as I need to do God music where they glorify the devil, you understand? I just want to do music to inspire people and our everyday life. Anything as we talk now, I feel they inspire to write. You understand? A lot of things now they inspire me. My life, because this particular song where I drop recently, they talk more of my life. How my hustle start. I know my boys not hungry, but so far so good. See how they at least we never be where one day, but we know they were there before.
Yeah, movement
don't change exactly. So that's good. It's a good thing, a big one for me. Yeah.
Now you talk say you never reach where they go, but you know they where we there. So we'll go back to olden days now when music be. I don't want to say when music be music, because music is still music.
Yeah.
Music,
But that old school music, when you listen to some of those songs, it will make you think. You know, go begin to the when you listen to the lyrics, go the reason what make this person write this kind of thing. But if you can't come this new generation, like go hear some kind of song, you can't wonder whether na instrumental with the person they say or na the song. Sometimes they go even want to talk about things where maybe no they even exist.
No, even they go tell you now saying a beats na matter.
And a beat, so once your beat's good, you don't blow, you know. So waiting be your own message for your own kind of music, and how you feel so if you take draw the line between waiting be day before and waiting day now.
Big difference day. Most times too are the consumers are the put blames on. You understand? Because people when they listen to the song are the put blames on because there are good musics out there. Good musics they out there. Maybe say quite alright. You expect say this music supposed to blow, you know will blow because of say the music that party line music now. The young people just want dance now. You understand? That's why. But me personally, I would advise people say, in as much as you try follow trend, but still pass your message. Not just waiting you say it's a bit they do keep doing it. No cut the line. Still they do what they do as long as say you pass your message.
So you see now the fans, people when they buy, they consume the music and they get the problem.
And sometimes I go put blames on them. You understand?
But you don't think since the musicians now get the power to release the song,
Yeah,
they feel control what the fans go receive.
You know say things don't change. Now everybody want make money. Everybody want make money because at the end of the day, you find out say people don't know you and you know they show anything. You don't think they show say your music don't. So everybody just want make money. So they do anything, any kind of song, we go just trend to make the money. You understand? So they put the brain now 50-50.
Okay.
Now 50-50 something, yeah.
Yeah. We get your video and even the making of the video. But before we play that one, because we even get one commercial break we'll go take.
Okay.
We'll take the making first.
Okay, so we'll take the making of the video, then we'll take a commercial break and then we'll go fall in again. All right, make it not go anywhere.
Hey, what's up, my people? It's your boy Rohmeela, Mr. Nice Guy, and guess what? It's my video shoot today, and the video is being directed by the one and only Kobo Lash, and he's the best in the South, the best video director in the South. The title of the song is Jesu. I don't like saying much. I don't have much to say, but just keep your finger crossed. Keep watching. Nigeria, get ready for me. Africa, get ready for me, man. We're about to stomp everywhere.
What's up? My name is Director Kobolash and today is Rohmeela's video shoot and we're somewhere in Port Harcourt.
Hi guys, my name is Prime Heavens and I'm the CEO of Prime's Church Makeover.
Yeah, my name is AY0 and we are here on the set of Rohmeela.
Oruko Jesu.
Oruko, that is the name of Jesus.
Yeah, the name of Jesus.
Oruko, na
Jesu,
name.
yeah.
Jesu, Jesus. Rohmeela. So the making of the video be that.
Yeah, now the making.
And that could be that.
Na Port Harcourt.
Live and direct.
Although Sharp, you don't want them to say that Port Harcourt, but make it the official. That's Port Harcourt.
No, it's good. Do you know why? Most people, some people they lie.
Yeah.
But make people still say, we don't see many videos when they shoot.
Now.
We don't see when they shoot for Port Harcourt and our phone they use.
Yeah.
People trip.
Yeah.
But some
But
people go want make it be like say they shoot them outside so they go give them more rep. They say when you travel and go shoot your video, people go say, man, you spend plenty money. You
Come and get rate you high up
come and get
no, you know those are.
You tell us why you don't want to tell us on Port Harcourt before. But right now we'll take commercial break. We need to pay some bills. Not touch your TV.
yes, welcome back. And of course, you don't see that commercial break, but this is not still the Good Morning Naija show. I will still get Rohmeela with us inside the studio. But right now, we could just open our phone lines. So like we say, they enjoy the conversation. You go fit chook your mouth. And you would like to hail Rohmeela, say yes for the good work we don't do. We can also the phone lines, they open now. And to call us now, free of charge. If you also drop your comments for our Facebook platform for www.facebook.com/RosebiaMaxPH. So now, Rohmeela, I'm going to ask you now, what will be some of the challenges where you face when you put this video together? And what will make you decide that you want to do it for Port Harcourt?
Port Harcourt is my home. You understand? Port Harcourt is my place of bed.
We will forgive you. We don't say you wrong go Lagos. We will forgive you for that one.
So Port Harcourt is my home. So I decided to come back home. No place like home, like I tell you. Yeah. But the reason why I know what people don't see that Port Harcourt, because when I come shoot them, I don't let my people, a lot of people, but when you go come Port Harcourt, I shoot them, I don't let anybody know. So the questions, they come in. So, but have fun. Now, when you go Port Harcourt, so as the video drop, they call the vex. And I can't tell you, but I know Port Harcourt, I shoot the video. So that's why I don't won't let any of them. May not be like I betray my friends, but my guys.
Don't worry, we don't apologize.
Apologize.
A public apology.
Yes.
So for public to go make people see what's happening behind the scene, make it for all loss, more wash on.
Mr. Nice guy, you know what I'm saying? Okay, now I'm feeling good now. I can talk better now.
Mr. Nice guy. I know fish shot for the power when you give to me.
Somewhere in Nigeria and God, I don't know. And this is my producer.
Can't see no more blessings here, I can't get it all. Oruko Jesu, Oruko Jesu, Oruko Jesu, Oruko Jesu, Oruko Jesu, Oruko Jesu. I don't feel like I don't shout. The money, the blessing, the love, you know where you give me. You showed me mercy when I did sins. Now I'm falling off blessing with God, I'm running things. Proceed, no big peace. He's forgiving all my new sins. But the sins I done there since now I'm looking fly but no wings. Those where they hate me before now celebrate me.
Oruka Jesu, Oruka Jesu, Oruka Jesu. You're going to do some your freestyle for us.
Why?
Very important.
You know, freestyle, don't they come up for this
Listen, I
culture?
get one request I make so almost any artist will come. Maybe one there's already go do one. I go make a request later. But you tell us some of the one thing when almost discourage you for one video when you want to shoot one time.
Yeah.
So we'll talk about some of the challenges when you face and why you think most people they run from Port Harcourt, they go Lagos and even outside to go shoot their videos.
I don't lie you. See, me personally, a lot of challenges come before I leave Port Harcourt.
Yeah.
And one of the challenges I face when this police wahala, I no go it's too much. As in police, the harassment was too much. It was just too much on me. There was a time when I had to go shoot a viral video for one song, like reality song. You understand? So we at the inside bus, they send anti-courtesan also. They stop the bus
and pick you, but
the guy waiting for front here, the boy started to cry, so nothing do. The next person they ask on me, carry me, put inside this thing. Don't be for boots, what did they call all these jet, what did they call this motor? Wagon motor there.
Yeah.
So they
So
put up
just throw you inside like that.
as they go for road, they'll say, oh, I see this, but I don't like doing the bands. They'll put that inside. We plenty. You understand? So the thing, it kid morale.
So you tell us how you feel do that video when you want to do before or
I
not.
guess,
We'll take call first.
Okay.
Let me wait for a while.
Okay.
From OGRA, Ike, Gudu morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, welcome.
Good morning, Ike.
Master Pastor, good morning, welcome.
I greet you, Baba. I greet you.
Yes, I just listened back the last comment I make about police via the productions that really go on. Make you not make you give up, shall. The challenges when so many persons they get. Most people don't give that kind of experience. They don't say something. Even rugged man will know there's so many things on his own leadership. So may you not give up. And not that you bring up these videos in Port Harcourt here, the work hard, God will help you. You say at the end, you go one of those.
Okay, thank you.
Entertainment good for Port Harcourt.
Thank you, I.
Thank you very much.
So we get another caller, Solomon from Regrita. Good morning, Solomon.
Good morning.
Yeah, Solomon, welcome. Make you raise your voice up small so we can hear you.
Okay. The guy, what is his name, Abi?
Rohmeela.
Rohmeela.
Govila.
Yeah.
Yeah. You are trying.
Thank you very much.
You keep on.
Thank you.
Well done.
All right.
Thank you, Solomon.
All right, thank you, Solomon.
Thank you,
don't
Solomon.
See some of these are a few of your plenty fans them.
Yes.
You know, and I like the fact say even most of our viewers and listeners they call to encourage the artists.
Na good thing,
you know,
na
let
good
them know
thing.
say okay,
Support
this way
our
you do.
own.
Na good thing.
try.
Na good
So we
thing.
must say thank you to you too. So people like give us gist before. What happened when police bam, you not do anything, no. Throw it inside boots. So if you continue, you shoot the video again that day.
I shoot am, but it can't be very late when I shoot am.
Late at
So
night.
just
You
at the end
can't
of
meet the time.
we don't meet the time, and it can't make us the rush.
So now discouraging thing with that.
It dey very
But think people
discouraging.
that could get enough location stuff so they shoot.
Yes, yeah. See, location. Yeah, days so na location. Everywhere na location. And it
Nice
just
one,
depends
nice
on the director creativity, wetin he offer.
Yeah.
You understand? Because even if once he no sabi, no
Shout
matter
out,
where they
to,
give
shout
you.
out to Black Boys Entertainment.
Shout out to Black Boy, shout out to
Boy.
Kobolash for doing a great job there. A nice one. But everywhere na location, if you do video anywhere, man, no come, but I don't say you get directors wey be say they don't dey one particular place shoot a lot of videos.
But you no go know.
You no go know, but na that particular place.
Now, you don't talk about one particular place now, and then artists, get some artists we say now here then they, and then for some of them they no fit pay big money, you know, to fit shoot their video. So how they fit take use the little one where they get
To
get
manage.
quality to manage them to still get the quality where they want.
Nah, that the director, and then the negotiation with the director.
Okay,
You understand?
negotiating power.
Now just understand a little
So if
understanding.
you get good director,
Exactly.
your video don't make sense.
It must make sense. You know, get as you want be.
And the money no need plenty.
You don't need to plenty.
So, but no, director.
Don't be say, but normally.
No.
Don't be say you no need to plenty. Now just say they won't help you.
I want to
Help,
was a
okay.
good director, it not go come cheap. But if the person sees say this dream, it makes sense.
Sense.
Yeah.
If he just supports you from the start.
Exactly. No me say, you know, normally the cost of video, they very high. Everybody know that one because of sets, you must pay. You understand? Equipment and the rest. So, but if the director say, yes, this dream, you know what they do, you know what they chase, and you know, say, if you negotiate with and talk to her and beg, we they beg, everybody they beg.
Abi.
I
You understand?
beg,
Why
I
beg?
beg. Won't take this call from innocent from that judge, I beg. Innocent, good morning.
Hi, well, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Innocent. Welcome.
Mr. Romina.
Yeah, boss, I greet you.
Good morning, my sister. Good morning.
Yeah, I greet you.
Yeah. So, Romina, you are trying.
Thank you very much,
Okay,
sir.
I have one advice for you.
Okay.
I want you to look around, pick young stars them. As you are coming up, pick them along, no drop them. So that their music sell well. If you go carry all those old people way down there, they say, we'll not go make new things. So make we can put together.
Okay.
Nice
Thank
one,
you.
Innocent.
Try.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
Nice one. All right, so Innocent don't bring new discussion now. So how you feel say if you take support younger artists them?
I feel take support. Me, I still be young artist. So everybody they support each other. Even the ones who don't even blow, they will see the tell you, they see they never reach out there one day.
Yeah.
You understand? But the little way we feel support the way we can. Sometimes advice matters a lot.
Okay.
You understand? They would write advice to
And sometimes collaboration.
collaboration matters a lot. See, if I don't collaborate with you, I go first of all listen to the tune. You understand? Because most times you get songs to where they kill person as an artist. You know,
Kill.
where they kill like your dreams, where they kill bring you down as an artist.
Okay.
You understand? I don't feel just listen to the song just because say I define collaboration, I jump on the song. But I must first of all just go through the song.
You must meet your own
You must meet the
first.
standard, particular standard before I go through the song. Well, at the end of the day, everybody needs support. Me, I need support too.
Abi.
So still on the collaboration things, we get John from Mukbaku will be our last call this morning. Good morning to you.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, John. Welcome.
The guy is trying. He keep on trying.
John, speak out so no they hear you well.
Okay, I mean the guy in the studio.
John.
Yeah, it'd be like the
We need
the
to
phone
end the
lines,
call,
they
yeah. The network not collaborate with us for this matter at all.
Abi. Now, before we let you go, before you do your freestyle and then we'll go watch your video, we'll jump on one of the social media trends where they go on now. The video and Chioma, the assurance, okay, whether she leaves school, or she not leave school. You know about the
Yeah, I
gist,
know
abi?
about the
Now, the
gist.
question I want to ask you now is how important education day for entertainers?
It is very important too. Sometimes we know say who entertainers who go most times the ones we know they really well educated. Don't be say they no one they educated and maybe because they don't get opportunity. They go always tell you say well shun school, leave school no man. But quite alright, education is very important for the industry. Ali go fit make you relate to people now. But there are so many ways of being educated. Most times school, the way the people you relate with as well, you learn from everything. You get educated from everything. Even as a day and now, they learn a lot from now. So exposing yourself to another way of educating yourself. So I would say education is very important to entertainment, to every aspect of life. Education is very important.
All right.
Yeah. So if you as a young artist to or more, you know, seeing as much as say they chase music, still they go school, they chase education. If you get the opportunity,
read your ABC well.
yes, if you get the opportunity.
All right, so what if we want that one advice in 20 seconds where you go give any upcoming artist? People who won't be like you.
Stay focused.
Stay focused.
Yep.
All right, so you go do your freestyle now, then we'll go watch your video.
Okay.
So she tell you before.
Before I do the freestyle, let me just tell people say, Naija will go wrap up the show. We'll see you on Monday as usual.
That Monday na new month.
A new month, August. Okay, so see, my name now came with
Okay.
people they sing with Adobe, Olufumi and all.
I don't even hear my name, Mayowa.
Mayowa. So I go use my name to sing. I don't know that I know Sweet Rich.
So Rohmeela is there. Rohmeela,
so
do
drop
justice.
your freestyle for us. We'll play your video.
Okay. See all my life of being a dreamer. Yeah, this dream still never come true. Or when I don't die, is that when the dreams will ever come true? Somebody lied when they say for Naija dreams they easily come true. It's like not only rich men kids dreams they easily can come true. Same dreams I had while I was a baby. Same dreams I still they get now that I'm a grown man yet they never came true. Although I never give up, I still they wonder what's up. Don't be say me are lazy or say me are not strong, but I wonder why to achieve this is taking so long. Oh Lord, what they happen? Your boy I on the sharpen. I've been behind the scene for long. It's time to sample because these days orientate self don't they complain. Say no be my mate, they pump child in the
Yeah, so Rohmeela, don't give us the own right. Now we go enter this break. We go from there. Go.
Thanks.
All right, man.
Yeah,
Thank
boy,
you very
that's
much.
shit, man. I appreciate it.
It's Calvin on the beats.
It's Rohmeela, Mr. Nice Guy. I know fish shot for the power where you give to me. They haunt me, yet you gave me a victory. I don't see, I don't saw, now I conquered. Can't see all my blessings, yet I can't get it all. Oruko Jesu, Oruko Jesu, Amen, Amen. Oruko Jesu, Oruko Jesu, Oruko Jesu, Amen, Amen. Oruko Jesu. I don't feel like I don't shout. Got the money, the blessing, the love, you know where you give me. You showed me mercy when I did sins. Now I'm balling and flexing with God, I'm running things. Brassy, no big business, forgiving all my new sins. But the sins I done their sins, now I'm looking fly but no wings. Those where they hate me before now celebrate me. You want a better life than mine, celebrating. If you get my praise God, don't even raise stones to praise me. But it don't make sense for ordinary stones to compress the most high. He doesn't smoke or drink, yeah, he's still the most high. You can't get me now, all my enemies then bye-bye. I am a living witness, he hid me of my sickness. He made me show no weakness, outside of my prayer request. If not for Baje, I for don't see today. I for don't die today, so you have been not one day, Papa. I know fish shot for the power where you give to me. They haunt me, yet you gave me a victory. I don't see, I don't saw, now I conquered. Can't see no more blessings, yet I can't get it all. Oruko Jesu, Oruko Jesu, Oruko Jesu, Amen, Amen.